That is why in starting I told you, look here, 5 minus 2 all square is equal to 2 minus 5 all square. Are you agree? Because it is square. Here is the square, here is the square. That is why the formula, S2 minus S1. Then after that I told you the same matter, S1 minus S2 you can do. Because 5 minus 2 whole square means 3 square, that is 9. 2 minus 5 whole square means minus 3 whole square, that also 9. This I told, ഞാൻ ആ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല. ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നീ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല. ഞാൻ റിമൈൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. S1 minus S2 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square, square root. I know the textbook is S2 minus S1 root of AB square is equal to root of S2 minus S1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. This don't confuse that. For our convenience, we can use this. This is exactly S1 minus S2 whole square plus Y1 minus Y2 whole square. You know why? Because minus square will be same. 5 minus 2, I know 5 minus 2 not is equal to 2 minus 5. But 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 minus 5 whole square. I think it is clear. Correct? You understood or not?
രണ്ട് equation use ചെയ്താലും answer same ആയിരിക്കും കിട്ടും.
Same ആണ്.
Hello sir.
Same ആണ് answer.
പക്ഷേ root 3 ആണ് എനിക്ക് root 3 സാർ അവിടെ AB root 5 അല്ലേ സാർ പറഞ്ഞത്?
What is here? Minus 3 square 9 അല്ലേ? 3 square 9 ആണോ? 3 square is 9. Minus 3 whole square is 9. What you are telling? Root of 9 is plus or minus 3. You some sure?
Sir, ഈ AB കാണിച്ചു തരുമോ? ഈ AB root 5 ഈ
1 minus 2
collinear.
No, you want AB, right?
One.
The figure is serial. AB is straight line alladi. AB 1 minus 2 whole square means 1 square. That is 1. 5 minus 3 whole square means 2 square. That is 4. 1 plus 4 root 5.
അതേ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഞാൻ x2 minus x1 whole square ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ മൈനസ് അല്ല root 3 ആണ് ആൻസർ വരുന്നത്.
Okay, listen me. Listen here. Be careful here. You are talking about S2 minus S1. I will tell you. What is here S2? 2 LA. S1 is 1. What is 2 minus 1? Whole square. Plus, what is 3 minus 5? Minus 2 whole square. What is 2 minus 1? 1 again 1. Again 4. Evident mistake with that. Minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square means എനിക്ക് root 5. Root 5 ആണല്ലോ. This is root 5. എവിടെയാണ് വ്യത്യാസം വരുന്നത്? പറയൂ. Minus 2 whole square അത് minus 2 square അല്ല. Minus 2 whole square. Difference is that minus 2 square is different and minus 2 whole square is different. This is minus 2 square means minus 4, but it is 4. Minus 2 whole square. എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്താലും ഇത് വരും, കാരണം മൈനസ് സ്ക്വയർ is സ്ക്വയർ. കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ മാറിയോ? Are you following or not? Square means minus whole square is plus. Confusion married poem. Ever confusion?
Yes, understood, sir. Understood.
Clear? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ട്.
ഞാൻ കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല നിങ്ങൾ പറയുന്നത്. കാരണം വേറെ ആൻസർ പോകില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നിങ്ങൾ വാശി പിടിക്കണ്ട. If you want S2 minus S1 whole square, Y2 minus Y1 whole square, does it matter? എല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യണ്ട. Sir, you told me 10 minus 8, 8 minus 10 same. No. Okay. Now AC. AC എത്ര കിട്ടി? AC is equal to
265. Root of 265.
Root of 265. AC is equal to root of 265. Now see, AB plus BC not is equal to AC. That is why it is not called. AB plus this, our understanding figure വരച്ചത് ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള figure. ഇങ്ങനെ എവിടെ ആയിരിക്കും? ABC, something like that. Non-collinear points has triangle. Like that. Anyway, ഇതൊന്നും ആവശ്യമില്ല. ഫിഗറും ഞാൻ അസംഷനിൽ വരച്ചാൽ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആണ്. Triangle ആണെങ്കിൽ AB plus BC is equal to AC. Here AB plus BC not is equal to AC. So it is not collinear. If it is collinear, AB plus BC is equal to AC. AB plus BC AC ആയിരിക്കും. Now next question. Check whether 5 minus 2 and 6, 4 and 7, 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. What's the question? Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. ഇതുമായി തന്നെ ഒരു triangle വരയ്ക്കുക, അത് represent ചെയ്യുക, എന്നിട്ട് ആ distance കാണുക. Fourth question. Whether 5 minus 2 a triangle വരച്ച് വർക്കിംഗ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യാം. 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Time being നമ്മൾ ഇത് കൊടുക്കുക. A 5 minus 2. Then B 6, 4. 6, 4. B. Then C, ABC, 7 minus 2. ഇവിടെ എന്താ നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? Find out AC, find out AB, and prove that AB is equal to AC. AB നിങ്ങൾ കാണാം, AC കാണാം. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. ഈ റഫ് ഫിഗർ വരച്ചിട്ടാ മതി, വർക്ക് ഇപ്പം ചെയ്യണ്ട. Complete that. Concept മനസ്സിലായോ? Okay. Okay. Now look here. In a classroom, fifth question is very interesting. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated, A, B, C, D. Don't you think A, B, C, D is a square? Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Two girls are there, Fatima and Amina. Amina says it is a square, but Fatima is telling no. So what is that? You have to see. Look the question. There are column and rows are there. Now tell me what is the coordinate of A?
3 and 4.
3, 4. 3, 4. Coordinate A is equal to 3, 4. Mark it. pencil you can mark or you can write in your notebook. A is equal to 3, 4. Now all of you write B, C, D, coordinate of B, C, D. All of you write it. Coordinate of A, B, C, D, write it. What is the property of a square?
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal. Then any other? Look here.
All angles are also equal.
Okay. Is this a square? All sides are equal. This is 10, 10, 10. Is this a square?
No, all sides are equal to 90 degree.
Angle 90 degree, we don't know that because how can you measure that now? You didn't study any formula.
Parallel and equal sides.
Parallel and equal. See, the rhombus also parallel and equal. 10 and 10 is parallel and equal. One more property there for a square. Diagonals of a square. Any property class 8? You know what is a diagonal? How many diagonals are there for a triangle?
3.
Very good. For a triangle, 3 diagonals are there. Draw the diagonal. Draw the diagonal of a triangle and tell me how many diagonals are there.
No diagonals.
Are you doing, girls? I am talking about the baby polygon triangle. Understand why I am not talking about the sides. Are you sleeping? A triangle has 3 sides, I know. According to side, we can classify. That means scalene, isosceles, and right triangle. According to triangle, obtuse, acute, and what I can say, obtuse triangle, right triangle. Equilateral triangle according to the side, equilateral, scalene, and isosceles according to the side. I am talking about diagonal. In a triangle, how many diagonals are there?
No diagonals.
Then why are you telling 3 diagonal, 4 diagonal like that? For a rhombus, for a quadrilateral, how many diagonals are there? Quadrilateral, how many diagonals are there?
2.
2 diagonals. You know one formula is there for the diagonals of a polygon. You know polygon? Which is the baby polygon? Smallest polygon.
Triangle.
Can I make a
Triangle.
polygon with this one? 2.
No.
So at least we need 3. That means smallest is triangle. Triangle is the smallest polygon. Then angle is 180 degree. Then no diagonal. After that's quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, many other. Parallelogram, rhombus. Like that, many things are there. Kite. Then we have one formula. Diagonals of a polygon n minus 2. These angles of a polygon n minus 2 into 180 degree. Then diagonals of a polygon n by 2 into n minus 3. One formula is there. Anywhere, Pentagon, everything, how many diagonals are there, we can find out. We studied that. Now I am talking about the square. Do you think square, all diagonals are equal?
Yes.
Yes.
That property
Yes.
we can apply. Perpendicular bisector, another property is there, but we can diagonals are equal. The square diagonals are equal. That will do. That means draw the square, this square, and mark. Suppose A, B, C, D. Find out AB and DC. Okay, they are equal means it is a quadrilateral in the parallelogram. Then take AC and prove that AC is equal to BD. Distance formula you can use. Then it is a square we get. Okay, that is homework. Now, come to the 7th question. Since after that we can do. Then we again quadrilateral, and the following. All of you check the 7 questions. Read the 7 questions.
Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9.
Okay, find out the point. Find the point on the x-axis which is equal from 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. Now all of you check example 5, page number 160. Find the point on y-axis which is equidistant from point A 6 5 and B minus 4 3. Exactly same question. Instead of x, here y-axis. That is the difference. Go through that and understand the method. All of you do. Find the point on the x-axis, their y-axis. What is any point on x-axis? What is s coordinate?
X is equal to 0.
X is equal to 0. Any point x is equal to 0. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5. It is a point. This is x is equal to 0. So a point is that. Find that point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. Do you agree x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0?
Y is
Why
equal
not
to 0.
distance? Put down x is equal to 0. Any point on the x-axis. That means here x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 0, 2, 0 like that. So tell me any point is x 0. Maybe 2, 0, maybe 3, 0, maybe 4, 0, maybe 5, 0 like that. Now, x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5. A point is the, suppose 2 minus 5. Rough figure only and read. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 will be here. 2 minus 5. A point here, suppose. The distance, suppose this is A and this is B. 2 minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Where will be minus 2, 9? Two minus 5. This is minus 2, 9. Okay. Minus 2. Rough figure only I am doing. The distance I am taking here. Suppose minus 2, 9. Then 2 minus 5. Here. 2 minus 5. Suppose A, B, C. So what is AC must be equal to AB. That is the condition. Find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and 2 minus 9. Find out this distance AC. AC is equal to AB. AC is equal to AB. Find out and find x from the AC is equal to AB. Try. What is x? X is equal to minus 7. Anybody got? AC. AC is equal to root of S plus S minus 2. S minus 4 minus 2. That means S plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9. That means 9 square. AC is equal to. Or AC square we can take decimal method AC square. AC square is equal to AB square. Then what is AB square? 2 minus x whole square. 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 whole square. Both are equal. Now try to find out x. What answer you are getting? AC, find out AC square, find out AB square. AC square is equal to AB square. Now open the bracket. S plus 2 whole square plus 9 square. Then find out x. ഒരാൾ ടൈം എത്രയാണ് അറിയിക്കണം കേട്ടോ. What is time now?
9:16.
9:16.
9:16.
9:16. Okay, no problem. More than 10 minutes are there, no? Okay, do. X is equal to minus 56 കിട്ടിയോ?
8x കിട്ടിയില്ല. 56 എന്ന് കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നു.
Okay, no problem. X is equal to root of 50 divided by 8. The question is, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from. So the point is, answer minus 70 ആണ് കാണുന്നത്. ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. മൈനസ് ആണോ പ്ലസ് ആണോ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. Okay, you can continue that. Now listen here. Today I want to talk about the section formula. That is why. നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്ത് നോക്ക്. Answer I am telling. Answer is minus 7. Minus 70 is the point. Find the point on the x-axis. Now all of you listen here. 8th question. Find the values of y for the distance between the points 2 minus 3. 10, 7 is 10. Find the value of y for the distance between the point. Here it is. PQ is given. PQ. I am explaining 8th question. P is equal to 2 minus 3 and Q is equal to 10y. Listen. P is equal to 2 minus 3 and Q is equal to 10y. But this distance is given. This is 10 unit, 10. Direct question only. Why you can find out. 10 minus 2 whole square. Like that we can see why only the unknown thing. That we can do. Now check your question. 8th and check the money. Eighth question ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ലേ? Find the distance. Distance is given. Why you only had till now you had to find out distance. Now you have to find out the y. വായിച്ചു നോക്കി ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയോ? 8th question.
Oh.
Okay. That is the distance. Then you need the distance. So you got 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10 square. Then we are getting y only the unknown quantity. So linear equation you can solve that. Now all of you listen here. Section formula right there is the new page. Section formula. Another question you can try again the distance something like that. Write there section formula. This is section formula, distance formula, then section formula, right? Heading, section formula. New page, right there. Section formula. Every explanation is there. What is there? See the figure 7.10. Page number 162. Figure 7.10. There is a line. This line. Then here A is given. Here B is given. Then this is x1, y1. This is s1, y1 ordered by a coordinate system. This is s2, y2. All of you listen here. Now, here you know the distance, but what we need, one another point is that the P, the point P. This P is cutting the line into two parts. Ratio is given. That means M1 is to, this is M1, this is M2, it is a ratio. Suppose 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 7, 2 is to 3, like that, 1 is to ratio is given. Now, you can study the, no need of this work and everything for your interest, you can read that. But examination point of view, we need the formula. What is the section formula? Understand first, x1, y1 is A, s2, y2 is the B, and P, the coordinate, suppose this is x, y, exactly the figure 7.1. X, y is the coordinate. Now, the question is, what is x? What is y? What is s coordinate? What is y coordinate? If we are cutting P, we have to find out the coordinate of that. That is one formula is there. Now, look the page number 163. There, you can see that section formula. M1 into S2 plus M2 into X1, be careful, divided by M1 plus M2, that is S coordinate. See, whenever a point is dividing the ratio M1 is to M2, S coordinate of the point P, X coordinate is, what is this ratio? M1, take the ratio. M1 into S2 plus M2 into X1. M1 into S2, S coordinate of B, and second ratio M2 into X1 divided by, add the ratios. M1 plus M2. See, S coordinate we got, then after that Y coordinate also. Understand this one. When a line segment AB, the S1, Y1 and S2, Y2 are the coordinate. If dividing the ratio M1 is to M2, maybe 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3, something like that. The ratio, first ratio into coordinate S2, S coordinate, plus M2 into X1 divided by other ratios. M1 S2 plus M2 S1 by M1 plus M2. S coordinate we got, because maybe 2, 3 something are getting S coordinate. S coordinate of the point. Then Y coordinate of the point exactly same, M1 into Y2 plus M2 into Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Denominator is same, M1 plus M2. Here, M1 into Y we need is Y2 plus M2 into Y1 is the formula. These are the S coordinate and Y coordinate. Now all of you read this one. Page number 163. So the coordinate of the point PXY, which divides the line segment joining the point X1, Y1 and BS2, Y2 internally in the ratio M1 is to M2. That means S coordinate is I wrote here, Y coordinate I wrote. For this year, you have to study internal only, not external. External is another formula is there. One sign difference. No need. Okay. All of you write the section formula and draw this line A, B, X, Y, X1, Y1, S2, Y2. All explanation you can read exactly same thing in the textbook. Now remember the formula. As coordinate of the point is M1 S1, write that this one, and M1 plus M2. Write this one. എന്തെങ്കിലും മനസ്സിലായോ? ഡയറക്റ്റ് ഫോർമുല തന്നതാ. That will do. Direct formula. അതിന്റെ അപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആണ് വേണ്ടത്.
സാർ ഈ ഡെറിവേഷൻ ഒന്നും പഠിക്കണ്ടല്ലോ.
അതൊന്നും പഠിക്കണ്ട. അത് മനസ്സിലാക്കുക അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. എങ്ങനെ കിട്ടിയെന്നൊക്കെ ഒരു ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. ഡെറിവേഷൻ ഒന്നും പഠിക്കണ്ട. X coordinate is equal to Y coordinate is equal to. പിന്നെ ഇത് പ്രോബ്ലം അല്ല. Section formula and distance formula difference മനസ്സിലായോ? Distance formula means AB is equal to how much? Now we are not talking like that now. Now a line is there. Here is some 1, 2, 1, 3, something like that. Here maybe 5, 6, something like that. Now here we are cutting P. We don't know the X and Y. Find the coordinate of X and Y. But what is needed? 2:1. ഈ ലൈനിനെ 2:1 കട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഈ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് 100 മീറ്റർ ആണുള്ളത്. അതിന് 2:1 ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കറിയാം. പക്ഷെ അത് നമുക്ക് തന്നില്ല. പക്ഷെ കോർഡിനേറ്റിൽ ആ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഒന്ന് കണ്ട് കട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകണ്ട. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദിസ്? 2 into S5 plus 1 into 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 3. We got S coordinate. Then either Y coordinate we got. Example പറയുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലാവും. ഈ ഫോർമുല പിടികിട്ടിയ മനസ്സിലായോ? X is equal to ഇത് ഒരു ഓർഡറിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഓർക്കണം. റേഷ്യോ M1 into S2 M2 into X1 divided by M1 plus S2 രണ്ടും അത് മാറാനില്ല. റേഷ്യോ M1 M2 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക ഫസ്റ്റ് റേഷ്യോ. But don't confuse, sir. You told this M1 into S2, M2 into S1. Can we write M1 into S1? No, no square. നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ M1 into S2 പോകണം ഓർക്കാം. M2 into S1, sir. M1 into S1 ആണ് സുഖല്ലേ? M1 into S1. No, M1 into S2 plus M2 into S1. അത് ഓർത്താൽ മതി. പിന്നെ Y അതിന് ഇട്ട് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി. I think it is not hard. Okay. ഫോർമുല ഏതായാലും ഇതിന്റെ S coordinate Y coordinate ആണ്. മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now see, right, അതിന്റെ താഴത്ത് കണ്ട് ഇത് വളരെ ഈസി ആവും. കേസ് രണ്ട് കേസ് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. Special case 1. The midpoint of a line segment divides line segment in the ratio. ഇത് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ട് listen here. Suppose find out the midpoint. S1, Y1, S2, Y2. Here midpoint means you know this is 1:1. അല്ലേ? Correct അല്ലേ? Midpoint and half and half അല്ലേ? 1:1 അല്ലേ? Half divided by half. So the formula will be very easy. Here P, X, Y. S coordinate that is equal to what is 1 into S2, sir, that is S2. 1 into S1, that means X1 divided by 1 plus 1.